Today, we're diving straight into the best mamopay rewards trick that can maximize your earnings with minimal effort. Mamopay offers cashback and reward points on transactions, and with a few strategic steps, you can significantly increase your returns. The first step is to ensure your account is fully verified. Verification unlocks higher reward tiers, allowing you to earn up to 5% cashback on eligible transactions. Without verification, rewards remain limited, and many promotions remain inaccessible. Next, focus on timing your transactions around mamopay's promotional periods. The app frequently offers limited-time bonuses, sometimes doubling or even tripling reward points on specific services or merchants. Planning your payments during these periods ensures every dollar spent translates into more points. Using mamopay for recurring bills like electricity, airtime, or subscriptions is another key trick. These routine payments accumulate points steadily without extra effort. Stacking rewards with linked cards is another essential strategy. Linking a debit or credit card that also offers cashback ensures you earn on two levels, mamopay rewards and your card's own benefits. Always check the app for merchant-specific bonuses. Certain stores or services offer higher points per transaction, and prioritizing these locations maximizes the return on every dollar. Lastly, redeem rewards smartly. Instead of cashing out immediately, monitor higher-value redemption options. Some gift cards or partnered services provide better value per point than simple cash withdrawals. By combining verification, strategic timing, recurring payments, linked cards, and optimal redemption, you can turn ordinary spending into a consistent stream of mamopay rewards. With discipline and attention to the app's offers, this method allows you to earn hundreds of dollars in rewards each month, making every transaction more profitable than ever.